So today we are going to focus on putting two or more shapes together, 2D shapes that is, to create a new shape. And to do that, we're going to use our handy dandy pattern block virtual app. There are directions on the next slide for you to access the app. This is a great app for really looking at putting shapes together to create new shapes. So what I'd like you to do, first of all, is to sort of work on creating some of the shapes that we already know and have been using throughout the last couple of days. For instance, let's start by trying to make a triangle out of different shapes. I think I might actually try this triangle and actually might pull up another one here. And I think if I take this one again and I see how this little arrow is like this, I can turn it and I can drag it right down here. And then I can add one more triangle like so. So I can actually create a triangle from four other triangles. It also looks like I can use do you know what that is? Trapezoid, and do the same exact thing. So one trapezoid, and then I need this shape here. I'm just going to drag it over. That's another example of a triangle. We're going to move to, let's see, are there any other ways that I can make that triangle? Not sure about that. If I don't want it, I can just take it and put it in the trash can just like that. So starting with very simple shapes like that, a triangle, think about how maybe you can make a square. Well, here's a small square. I might be able to add squares just to ensure that we have the same length on all sides to make a square. And so it looks like that. We also have the option, just like we did with the geoboard, to bring our nice little pen out. Let's use blue here. And again, if you're comfortable, let's try that again. For some reason that came out dotted. Something new that oops, no, that's not working for some reason. Let's go here. Let's go here again. We'll worry about the pen in just a little bit. Another great thing that you can do with this app is to actually create shapes that are already created for you. So for instance, maybe I want to create this car or truck. I can take these away. Actually, let's just do this. Clear your work. Yes. And I'm going to grab one of these. And so this, for this, we're actually going to just take some time to fill in. And you can see the idea is that we can use all different types of shapes to create new and different shapes. Will this fit here? Oh, I thought it would, but it doesn't look like it's going to. So I'm just going to press delete and get rid of that. Think about maybe this rhombus could come up here and actually move right into that section like that. So there are lots of different things that you can do on this board. I'd like you to really spend a little bit of time today creating new shapes from composite shapes, and then we'll have a way to wrap up our lesson. I would say spend 10 to 15 minutes doing this. I think the time will fly right by, and your goal is to think about how you can create new shapes, composite shapes, from smaller shapes. Have fun.